We're coming up now to the 6th poem in Where the Platypus Sleeps. And it's called Where Go the Boats, and it's by Robert Louis Stevenson. There's the boy and the girl that recur through the book with their boats in the little stream. And then again down at the beach, the boat arrives at the ocean. There's a pelican and other birds in a little sand castle. Where go the boats? Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. It flows along forever with trees on either hand. Green leaves a-floating, castles of the foam, boats of mine a-boating. Where will all come home? On goes the river and out past the mill, way away down the valley, away down the hill. Away down the river 100 miles or more, other little children will bring my boats ashore. And there they are, those other two children at the end of the journey for the little boat. I hope you enjoyed that.